If you've been scammed, don't panic, but act fast. Scammers rely on you feeling embarrassed and doing nothing. But I'm here to tell you 5 things you need to do right now to protect yourself and get your money or your account back. 1. Secure your accounts immediately. If you entered login details of any of your accounts anywhere suspicious, change your passwords now. Use a strong password and enable 2-factor authentication, 2FA, to lock scammers out. 2. Contact your bank or payment provider if you sent money. The faster you act, the better your chances are of getting your money back. 3. Report the scam. In the UK, report scams to Action Fraud at actionfraudpolice.uk. Also, report the scam on the platform where the scam happened, whether that's on Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp, or Instagram. 4. Scan your device for malware. If you click the suspicious link, run a malware scan on your phone or your computer. Some scams install spyware that can steal your information. Finally, warn others and stay informed. Scammers win when we stay silent, but you're not going to let that happen. So share this video with someone who needs to see this and follow for more tips so you never fall for another scam again. If you've ever been scammed, drop a comment and let's help others stay safe. And don't forget to subscribe for more online safety tips.